Hi, welcome to GIAGATT's Country Kitchen. Hey, we're out on this camping trip. We've got several videos and we have some shorts also that we're doing while we're out here just to share with you. And right now I am putting together a, peanut butter chocolate milkshake. And it's like a Reese Cup milkshake, except we're going to be using bananas as the base. So if you've ever had any like bananas, they start turning brown on you, you need something you can do with it that will save those bananas and be absolutely great. Well, this is the one that will do it. Just take and peel those bananas, put them in some freezer bags. I just use little quart freezer bags, and I like to just mush them a little bit so that they'll break up easy whenever I'm going to use them. But just put them in the freezer, freeze them up. And I have 2 frozen bananas right now in here, and they were pretty good sized bananas, so I don't always make them that big, but we're going to do some big shakes tonight. All right, I'm just going to judge this by sight. I'm going to put 2 good tablespoons of cocoa. I'm going to have to have a little more. This spoon is not quite a tablespoon. Okay, and then we're going to put 2 good tablespoons of peanut butter. And then, if you like a lot of peanut butter in yours, put more. But this one is doing for 2 people, and so it works really good. All right, and you can just put as much as you need there. That should do it. All right. Okay. And next, you're going to take, and I'm using some almond milk, a vanilla almond milk, because that's just one of my favorites. And I'm just going to pour it in here and just sort of fill this up till I can see it pretty good. And it'll vary depending on how much banana you got in there. We'll go ahead and blend this a little bit, and then we'll determine if we want to put a little more in there. All right, so I am using this Ninja blender. I love this blender. And we're just going to, that much of frozen banana, it'll really be thick and creamy. And I can already tell we're going to need a little more milk. And let me tell you, if you wanted to do this as an ice cream, just keep it really thick. Don't put near as much milk in it, and blend it, and you'll have a nice creamy chocolate peanut butter ice cream. And with that, just throw in some chocolate chips, and boy, it's good. All right, let me drop that on there. And just give it a few minutes to blend. And don't forget, I'm making some mountain burgers, and I have a video out on mountain burgers also. So don't forget to go over and check that out. And I did some snacks earlier. We're going to do some kebabs. All kinds of good stuff for you. All right, let's see where we're at here. Oh yeah, that looks about perfect. Okay, let's just take a look, see here. Yep, there we go. And like I say, if you want to, you can add some chocolate chips to this or what have you, but this is oh so good. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Get out and make it with your family. Look at that great shake. So good. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and come on over and check out all these other videos we have for you. You have a blessed day.